Plenty of you have this shortcut app on your iPhone, but you don't know what they use it for. In this video, I'll show you how you can use a shortcut app to send message to your friends automatically. Let's say you have a girlfriend that you have to text every 6 a.m. in the morning, but you are too, lazy to wake up and go to your WhatsApp and send a message to your wife or anything. In this video, I'll show you how you can schedule a message with a shortcut app. So if you are new here, make sure you do well to follow me and drop a comment in the comment section. Now let's continue with the video. So first of all you have to do well to open to your shortcut app and do this, okay? So you can see these are all my shortcuts, but I'm not using all, but I'm going to show you how you can create a new one. So tap on the automation, okay? Tap on automation. You're going to see you have the plus button over here. And guys, if you want cheap data bundles to come to your Chrome and searching for Tema data bundles, okay? You can get 1 gig for 450 pesos, 2 gig for 9 cities, okay? So come here to the shortcut app again and tap on this plus icon, or you are going to see new automation. Just tap on it, okay? So first of all, just tap on time of day. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, just select the time you want to test your babe. So let's say 6 a.m., okay, 9. So if it's 6 a.m., I'm going to send a message to my babe. So let's continue with it. Okay, so let's say in this video, I want to show you it as a proof. So I'll select PM. So let's say 10 PM. Don't confuse about the time. I want you to send me an automatic message. So make sure you do well to check. So I'll select weekly as a repeat and tap on run immediately. Once you do this, make sure you tap on notify when run and tap on next. Okay. So this is the tricky part. So make sure you just tap on new shortcut again over here. And when you are here, just searching for WhatsApp. Okay. WhatsApp. Okay, so the WhatsApp you want to use, let's say, I don't want to use WhatsApp, I want to use SMS. So you can also choose SMS. If it's WhatsApp, you can choose WhatsApp. If it's SMS, you can choose it, okay? Even if it's email. So I'll choose SMS for these videos. Let's say this is the message. Hi, Twitch. Tell your people to subscribe to my channel. So the recipient, you tap on the recipient to, once tap on the recipient, and I'm searching for Twitch. Okay, so I have Twitch over here. So I'll just tap on Twitch. Okay, and I can add another person to, if you tap on the plus button over here again, you can see you have another plus button. So you can search for Jeff. So I'll search for Jeff and I'll tap on OK. So this is done. Okay, so all you have to do is tap on the OK button over here again. So it's now 10:0 PM. Okay, so let's change the time. You can change the time anytime you want. I want you to send the message so you guys will see. So I'll make it 10:12. Okay, 10:12, and I'll tap on that. So let's say we are doing a normal 10. Okay, so as I said, if you come to your Google Chrome, you can search for Tema data bundles and you see it over here. So you can tap on the 1 gig over here. Once you tap on 1 gig, you just make a payment. So 1 gig is 450 pesos. So you can choose to deposit if you want. Okay. So let's say I want to deposit 10 cedis. Guys, make sure you check my phone to see notification. Okay, it's 10:11. So let's continue. So once you tap on 10 cedis, you tap on proceed. I'm showing you how to buy the bundles. Okay, so I'm doing a deposit. If you tap on it, you can pay with your mobile money. You enter your number over here and you just tap on confirm. They're going to bring the prompt to you to, do your payment. And when you are done, you are just done. Okay, hey, cool. But you have to create an account too if you want. Okay, you can create an account on this website. So I will advise you to create an account for this one. So in case your data don't come to you. So you can see the message is about to send. Running your automation. So the message is sent. That's why I'm seeing this. So let's check if I'm going to receive this message or not. Guys, if this is your first time, you make sure you do well to follow this account and share for your friends too, for them to know this. Okay. So you can see the message has come. Hi, Twitch. Tell your people to subscribe to my channel. I'm not doing any editing on this video. So you can see the message has come. Hi, Twitch. Tell your people to subscribe to my channel. And it is 10:12 exactly as it says. Okay, this is very, very simple. So guys, if you are new here, make sure you do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to buy your data bundles over here. Now, let me see you in my next